cups of APF, and then 1/2 cup of confectioner sugar. And then later I will add the softened 1 cup of butter or margarine. So I'm combining now 1 cup of butter, and then with the use of a fork, I'm going to mix it this way until it will form like a cornmeal. So with the use of a fork, I'm trying to press it this way so that it will be completely well mixed. And then later I will form it into smaller balls. It says in the recipe it will give a 24 balls. But we will see later how many small balls I will be able to create with this mixture since I doubled this. Okay, as you can see, this is now the big ball that I was able to create out of the first 3 ingredients that I combined: the APF, the butter, and the confectioner sugar. So I was able to make 25 smaller balls, and since I doubled the ingredients, I still have remaining for the crust. Maybe after I was able to place it on a oat tart molder, I will be able to know how many will be the number of tart that I will be able to produce later. So on a pre-brisk boat tart, we are going to place 1 ball on it and then press it this way until it is fully distributed on the entire dough molder like this. So yan. So it should be distributed on the entire tart molder. Then later we will pre-bake this for at least 5 to 8 minutes. Okay? So once the tart crust is already placed on the tart molder, you will now prick the bottom part of it so that it will not form a balloon once it is baked in the oven. So like this way. Okay? So until all the tart placed on the tart molder are already bricked. And then you are going to bake it for 5 minutes in approximately 120 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. Set only the bottom part of the coil of the oven. So this is it. I have already pricked the bottom part of the tart crust so that it will not form a balloon once it is already in the oven while baking. So I already placed 16 tarts inside the oven. I already preheat the oven for 10 minutes and I'm now going to pre-bake it for 8 to 10 minutes. Only the bottom coal of the oven will be set. This is now the result of the pre-baked tart crust. Then after that, I will put on the mixed filling in the tart crust. Instead of chopping it, I pounded it with the use of mortar and pestle. I mean the peanuts. So I pounded the peanuts before I will mix it with the filling. I added already 6 tablespoons of margarine and 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar plus the pounded peanuts, 1 cup raisins. Then mix all the ingredients all together. So I am adding now the egg. So I will be adding 2 eggs. So I just added 2 eggs and then mix it well until it is well blended. And then I will put it in the tart crust later. Well, this is now the result of the combined ingredients such as brown sugar, eggs, margarine, and I added 1 cup of condensed milk to make it more tastier. Okay, so I'm going to fill in now the tart crust with the filling. This is now the tart crust with tart filling. So I'm about to put it in the oven for another 8 minutes, baking at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to set the oven both on top and under coil. No? So it will be set both under and the top coil will be the setting of the oven. So that the top and the bottom part of the tart will be baked, okay, at the same time. The tart now is done. So it's ready for packaging. So later I will demonstrate how you're going to package or pack the both tart. Removing the tart in the molder, you just need to press it this way so that the tart will be removed in the molder. Just press it this way. Okay. So as you can see, it's now detached in the molder. So I fold it already in 3 and then another 3 foldings. After folding it into 3 twice, so I will fold it again into 2. Okay, so the foldings or how the plastic cellophane folded will result to this, so that the tart or the plastic or the cellophane will be more than enough the size of the tart. So this is how it will be packed. So you see, it's just like pulveron. It's packed like pulveron. Okay, just repeating, this is the end product that is already packed. Okay, and the other part that I was able to pack this way. So it's ready for selling.